Here are some thought-provoking quotes about the realities of life. 1. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. John Lennon. 2. Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Buddha. 3. In 3 words I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. Robert Frost. 4. The only thing that makes life possible is permanent, intolerable uncertainty, not knowing what comes next. Ursula K. Le Guin. 5. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Confucius. 6. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 7. It is not the length of life, but the depth of life. Ralph Waldo Emerson. 8. Reality continues to ruin my life. Bill Watterson. 9. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just got to find the ones worth suffering for. Bob Marley. 10. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. S.R.E.N. Kierkegaard. 11. Life is a succession of lessons, which must be lived to be understood. Helen Keller. 12. The good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. Bertrand Russell. 13. We must let go of the life we have planned, so as to accept the one that is waiting for us. Joseph Campbell. 14. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Oscar Wilde. 15. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Confucius. These quotes reflect on various aspects of life's realities, from its unpredictability and simplicity to the importance of resilience and presence.